homemade barbecue sauce. You will never buy barbecue sauce again after watching this video. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for the daily recipe update. Remember, this is Chef Joshua Musisi. So we are going to make our barbecue sauce. You can make it at home. Then we are going to get our onions. After getting the onions, we are going to finally mince the onions. Finally mince the onions. So after mincing onions, you're going to set them aside. After mincing the onions, you are going to set them aside. So we are going to grate the garlic. We're going to grate our garlic. After grating garlic, we are going to grate the ginger. After grating the ginger, we are doing the so-called mise en place. So we are going to squeeze the juice out of the lemon. But if you don't have the lemon, you can use vinegar. You can use vinegar. Vinegar can also work. But since you are doing homemade, you can use lemon. Then you're going to apply some oil or unsalted butter in the pan. After, you're going to apply your onions. So you are going to cook the onions. You don't need the onions to become too brown, but we need the onions to just get cooked through. So after cooking the onions, you are going to apply some ginger. After applying ginger, you cook like for 1 minute or so, or like seconds. You apply the garlic. Then apply the garlic. You also cook for 1 minute or seconds. So after that, you are going to give it a twist. You're going to apply some lemon juice. Yeah, wow, you're going to apply some lemon juice. After applying lemon juice, you're going to apply sugar stroke honey. You apply enough, you apply what's enough. So after applying sugar or honey, at this point we are going to bless it with some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, use lemon juice. So after, we are going to bless it with ketchup or tomato sauce. You make sure that you apply what's enough. You apply what's enough, because we need enough tomatoes, enough barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce, you can also keep it in the fridge to make it to make it stay long. So you're going to cook for 2 minutes. So after the 2 minutes, you're going to apply soy sauce dark. After the 2 minutes, you're going to apply soy sauce dark. But if you don't have the soy sauce dark, you can brown some sugar. You brown it dark. After, put some little water, then you can put it here. But professionally, we have to use soy sauce dark. Wow, just look at this. So we are going to bless it with mustard yellow, but mustard yellow is optional. You can skip it or leave it. But apply mustard yellow to balance the taste. Then after doing everything, we are going to boil or to cook for like 1 minute. If you want to talk to me, WhatsApp me on that number. Then after, we are going to strain. After cooking for 2 minutes, we are going to strain it. After it cools, keep it in the fridge. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. Don't forget to subscribe for the new viewers.